What is going on, everyone? Welcome to the video. About 5.5 months ago, I applied Soft 99's Fusso coat, the actual wax itself, to a Honda Civic that is a daily driver. It gets parked outside all the time. So in this video, I'll show you how that product has held up over that time period. And then we'll also be testing out this product that's in my hand right now, which is Soft 99's Fusso coat Speed and Barrier. And this is more of a spray and white product, whereas the other one's more of a traditional wax. Now, in full disclosure, these products were sent to me free of charge by Fusso coat to test out. So if you want to take my review with a grain of salt, you can, but I'll try to be as impartial as possible. Now, these products, you can get them from carzilla.ca. I'll link them down in the description below if you want to learn more about them. Then you can save 5% using discount code CARDetailing5. Now let's get into the video and see how these products do. Now for the pre-wash process here, I'm going to dial back my foam cannon one full turn from full because I don't want to waste too much product. I'm going to soap it down or foam it down just before the contact wash as well. So even with one full turn and only 2 ounces, look how thick that foam is. So legit product here by Genius Detail, by the way, as a side note. I'm not done pre-rinsing the car yet, but all I can say right now is that this product is worth the hype that it's gotten over the last, like, honestly 8 to 10 years at this point, probably. Like, you can probably see this in the shot. Look at that. That panel still hasn't been contact washed. And yes, this car wasn't the worst to begin with. Like, it was washed, I would say, probably about 2 to 3 weeks ago, but still. Now, it's not a miracle product, neither is the pre-wash I used. That's why it looks so clean now. I was able to pressure wash off all of the big stuff, but it definitely has some self-cleaning properties like they claim. You can't deny that. Anyways, I'm going to finish pre-rinsing now, and then we'll do the contact wash. Alright, I'm going to take you in a little closer just so you get a slightly closer view of the water behavior, but I'd say I'm pretty impressed. 5.5 months later, it's holding up extremely well. As you can see, after the car is dry, it looks really sharp, but now let's see if we can bump it up a little bit with the Speed and Barrier. Alright, I'm going to demonstrate the product only on the hood, and then on the rest of the vehicle, I'm just going to go ahead with it. But Fusso coat by Soft 99, this is the Speed and Barrier for all colors. Only for the painted surfaces, by the way. So I got 2 microfiber towels there. Give the product a really good shake. I'm going to use the yellow towel to apply and the blue towel to final buff. So I'll throw that one in my pocket for now. Alright, let's get to it. I am wearing a pair of gloves. Simple on-off trigger here. Now they do suggest spraying it onto the panel, but I think I might spray it into the microfiber instead. Let's get rid of that drop. Get it primed. Okay. Lots of overspray with that mist. Let's just work it in. Ooh, it's really grabby. There's no need to let it cure or anything like that. You just work it in and then secondary towel to buff it out. That's it. Oh, that's a terrible fold, but it'll do. It's not that slick, but we'll see. I think I had a space that was a little too big on that last, on the other side there, so I'll go over it one more time. That's about as much of a space as you want to cover with one spray. Again, it says do not get on glass, so that overspray, a little concerning, but we'll see what happens. I'm just kind of working it in until I start to see it disappear a little bit. Which it does disappear, but this is also white paint. Not very slick at all. I'm just going to completely unfold this. Yeah, it definitely is not getting very slick. Not more than what it was already with that the other Fusso coat on there. I can say it does disappear pretty good. So that's pretty much the application process there. Okay, so I just finished applying the Fusso Coat Speed and Barrier Soft 99. And noticeable bump and gloss for sure. I didn't think it was possible because it was already glossy to begin with, but definitely a noticeable bump and gloss. And what I was saying while I was applying it on the hood, I kind of take a bit of it back because I noticed that it was becoming pretty slick. Not the slickest product by any means, but it definitely was becoming slick. And I got around the whole car in, I'd say, less than 15 minutes. Very easy, and look at that gloss. Incredible gloss for sure. So this stuff is legit, and it has nothing in common other than the name with the wax, the Fusso Coat Soft 99 waxes. Completely different product. I mean, aside from the precautions and not using it on trim and glass and whatnot, which I got overspray all over the trim, probably a bit of it on the glass, and other than being a bit streaky, I didn't see anything wrong with using it on any of those spots. But look at the gloss though. The gloss is freaking incredible here. There's no denying the gloss at all. So overall, this stuff is a winner. Again, they sent me this product, but I mean, take a look. Obviously, it's doing extremely well. And the wax, the Soft 99 wax, after 5.5 months, also holding up phenomenal. Now I just topped it with this stuff, so we'll see how this does. I do want to do this, or apply this on a test panel next to the Soft 99 wax to see how the water behavior is. Obviously this car is going out now, so I don't want to get it all wet, but maybe I will do a comparison between this and the actual wax itself to see how both of them compare, because the wax is, especially when freshly applied, probably the most hydrophobic wax I've ever used, other than Gion Q2M wax. It's pretty good too, but man, oh man, good product. Comment below if you've ever used this product, but Fusso Coat definitely living up to the hype. If you like this video, check this one out next. As per usual, everything in this video will be listed and linked in the description below the video. With that being said, I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. I will see you on the next one.